Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be dyeing my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Just for Men beard dye in the shade medium dark brown. And on the inside of the box it comes with the color developer, the color base, this little brush. This comes with the gloves, the instructions, and a little tray to mix everything. It's pretty straightforward. It says on the instruction to mix equal parts of the color developer and the color base. So that's just what I'm gonna do right now. I don't think I'm gonna need a lot, so I'm just gonna put probably that much. Actually, maybe a little more. There, that much. Try and make them equal amounts. And I think that's pretty equal. Yeah? Yeah, that's good. I don't think I'm gonna need too much because it's just for my eyebrows. Just gonna go ahead and do that. And then yeah, I'm gonna apply this straight onto my eyebrows. It smells kind of like men's deodorant. Huh, that's funny. It's funny how women's hair dye smells like chemicals, but for some reason men's beard dye smells kind of nice. Like, yeah, like men's deodorant or like aftershave. Anyway, so now that that's mixed, I'm gonna move into the application. Okay, so before we get started, I also want to say that you will need some baby wipes to wipe the dye off after. And also you'll need some Vaseline because you want to apply it like around the borders of your eyebrow just so it doesn't stain your skin too much. The only one in my family who did not get the good brow gene. All of my siblings have really great brows. Why is that? I'm just gonna use my finger to apply this around my brows. Just like this. Oh, also you want to make sure that your eyebrows are free of any oils or any makeup. So if you have anything on them, just like wipe them off, you know? I don't think I have to do like the under part of my eyebrow. I think I'm okay with just applying Vaseline on the top. This is what the dye looks like now, so let's just start. Okay, so I think that side is done. I'm gonna move on to my other brow now. I'm just putting some more of the dye on top of my eyebrow, applying it kind of thick. And it says to leave it on for 5 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm done. Yeah. Ooh, you can see that it's starting to change color already. That's funny. Wow, can you imagine if my eyebrows like were this thick in the start? Look how much dye is left. I barely had to use any. This is gonna last me forever. Like these two things can probably last me a whole year. Although I was reading through the pamphlet and it says that you're not supposed to use it after 3 months. So we'll see. We'll see about that. It's actually been 6 minutes. I'm gonna wipe it off with my baby wipe now. Ooh, hope it looks good. Ooh, oh my god, I have eyebrows. This is amazing! Oh my god, yes! Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I know there isn't much of a difference, but I don't know, it's just so much better than how it was before. Don't you think? Like, so much darker. I want to see if I can get them even darker. And I think I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes this time. Hopefully it looks okay in the end. I guess we'll see. I think this is just a good experiment regardless of the results, so. Alright, I think that's done and I'll see you guys in 10 minutes. I'm gonna use a wet wipe to remove it again. So here we go. Feels exciting, like opening a present or something. Ooh, much darker than the first time. Still a little bit sparse here, but that's okay. I was expecting that. I like that. Yeah, so happy. I'm so happy. No more dyes coming off on this anymore, so I'm pretty sure that's it. But it does say on the instructions that you're supposed to, well, at least for your beard, wash it off, wash your beard, and then use shampoo as well. I'm gonna do that right after I finish filming this, but it might not look like much to you guys right now. Ooh, maybe I should, let me turn down the light so you can see, because it's really bright in here. So maybe you'll be able to see my brows better if I do this. Yeah, see? Look at that. So much better. I actually look like I have brows. So happy right now, and that took me like less than 20 minutes. If you have pretty thick brows to begin with, you'll only need to do 1 round, whereas I did 2. But yeah, look at that. Look how much darker it is than my before shot, which I will put right here for you guys so you guys can compare. I really like those like before and after shots because you can really see the difference. So when I look up close to a mirror, it has dyed my skin. So this does dye your skin along with your hair, but for me that's good because like I said, I have basically no hair here, whereas now it looks like it's filled in a little bit. Okay guys, that's it. We've come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you've been thinking about dyeing or tinting your brows, going to a salon and do it, just do it yourself at home. It was so easy and it's only $10. I mean, I'm curious to see how long this will last. If it lasts me even just a week, that's fine. Like I could totally incorporate this into my Sunday prep for the week beauty routine. 20 minutes every Sunday for like brows like this. Worth it, so worth it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll try to answer them as fast as I can. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to me if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys again in my next video.